Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Little Maze Web. So today we'll be talking 10 lines on Independence Day. So let's start. The first line is, for our country, Independence Day is one of the most important days of the year. Now next. Every year on August 15th, India celebrates its independence. Now the third line. Independence Day serves as a reminder of all the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters in order to free India from British control. Now the fourth line. On this day, we honor our country's freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel and Sarojini Naidu, who gave their lives for our country's freedom. Now the fifth line. Independence Day is widely observed as a national holiday. Now the sixth line. Every year, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at Red Fort. Now the seventh line. Jana Gana Mana, the Indian national anthem, is sung. The address is followed by a parade by the Indian Army and the paramilitary troops. Now the eighth line. The flag of India is hoisted by the chief ministers of several Indian states. In India, Independence Day is commemorated with enormous fanfare. Next is the ninth line. A variety of cultural events, processions, speeches, and patriotic anthems are held on August 15th. Now the 10th line. Independence Day inspires us to love our nation and to be willing to die for its honor and integrity at all costs. These were the 10 lines on Independence Day. For more such videos, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.